Hey guys, thinking that you need to take apart your Wii to clean your lenses? No, just if you're tired of doing it, this is an easy way of how to do it. So, I'm gonna play a disc. I'm gonna play the Wii Play game disc. And we're gonna insert it. Okay, I'm just not gonna wait because I know it doesn't work. To show you. Sometimes this video will help you make it work to clean your lenses. All right. So, here we go. What you want to do is grab a CD DVD lens cleaner disc that has the brushes on it to see if it'll work. If you don't have one, go out for a run somewhere that you know where they sell lens cleaner discs. Yeah, it'll say CD DVD lens cleaner. So, we're gonna put it in the Wii. And then just put it in. See, Wii's don't read these kind of discs. Alright. And then take your disc and then take the disc out. Oh. Take the disc out. Grab the disc that's not scratched. That's not scratched, but scratched. When you fix them, put them in and then play them. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this to clean out your Wii. So, thanks for watching.